So what's inside a one-bedroom unit in Uptown Modern? Tara, pakita ko sa'yo. So this one-bedroom unit will have its own maid's room. Dito kasama na yung washer and dryer and yung toilet and bath. Complete kitchen appliances, yung fridge, microwave, quartz countertop, sink and faucet, 2-burner cooktop at saka range hood. Toilet and bath fixtures, lavatory and mirror, water closet and bidet, glass enclosure, and shower set. Living and dining area, kasama na dito yung split-type aircon and access to your balcony. Bedroom, dito kasama yung modular closet and split-type aircon. Price for this one-bedroom unit starts at 23 million. 18,000 monthly with 800,000 annual lump sum. No down payment and 6 years to pay. If you want to know more about this, send me a message. This is Del from Megaworld at the Fort.